show you our 3-part clip system for your 1-inch mechanical seam clips. And this will actually allow you to use the scrap material you have left over for your clips. And you won't have to spend 3-4 cents a clip. Your second piece, we'll insert in here. This will actually cut your clip. This is the substrate, and make your next one in sequence. This would be the 3rd part of the series, which will allow you to bend this so you can nail it down. And then you attach your clip into here. And then this would go on your roof surface like we have right here. This would be your substrate, your clip, and allow for your expanding and contracting.